So I'm gonna take all these bottom panels off out of this 6-door cooler, and we're gonna change the front defrost heater on it. And this is it right here. Big long heating element. It's 480 volts, and it goes across the front of the evaporator. You see it's all froze up right there. Now these bottom grill looking things, I gotta pull this shelf, I gotta lift it up so that I can get it out, because they won't come out like this. They're too wide. So once you pull the shelf out, you can lift up on it just like that, pull it out that way, and then for all the rest of them, you don't have to lift all the shelves. You can just slide them all down and pull them out the same cavity here. So then we also got to pull all the bottom covers, all these things. And you stack them up all nice and neat, because if you don't, you can make a real big mess in here in the aisle when they're trying to like walk through and get their stuff out of here. So we can go put it in defrost now. Alright, so here's the controller, there's the case. I just now put it in defrost. You can see how the case, that the first one's reading 12.9. That's that one case that's missing the heater. Here we've got B08 that's in defrost now. It's that one, yeah, that one. So I can shut power off to it here when I want to do that. So we'll do that in a minute. So what I want to do is I want to be able to pull my wire through with this wire from this broken element. So I'm going to cut this element wire down there, tape it, and I'm going to pull it through with this so that I don't have to make any splices down there. See, it looks like the power just blew out right over there. It's the only way I can describe it, a blowout. Okay. Why did they give me one with brown wires and not black wires? What the hell? Or why'd they give me one with black wires and not brown wires? I don't know about that. I really don't know about that. Yeah, I don't know about that. Okay. It's probably the same though. I guess we're gonna install it the same. Alright, now I'm gonna go turn off the breaker. Alright. All the way back down here. So I'm not sure what I would have to go through back here to get access to these wires. I'm really not sure. Alright, let's try it though. First I'm gonna run my heating element. this wire here. Then I'm gonna take this wire, I'm gonna stretch it out, and I'm gonna tape it to that. So you wanna make sure the tape sticks real good to this, and that it holds on for dear life, because it might be going through quite a few obstacles, as you can see. There we go. Might need to push it on the bottom. Let me see. Sometimes they'll strap it up there in the wall, the back wall. If they do that, well, this is not gonna work though. Yeah, I think that's what they did. Okay, we can't do that. Alright, splicing it is. I don't really want it to come on while I'm working on it, so I'm going to cut this off. So I'm going to do all of them. There's like 10 of them maybe, all the way down. And then I'm going to put the new one on. Well, out of all those, only 2 of them broke before I could get them loose. The rest of them all came loose. So that's good. Or no, hold on. 2 of them or 3 of them? Maybe 3 of them, I guess. Yeah, 3. So I'm definitely going to cut this. I'm going to cut it back probably here's my circuit. Turn it on. Okay. Now in here. those 480 or 260 whatever heat strips. I mean, all heat strips do, but man, these ones get hot real quick. That's what happens if you don't replace the stupid little wires. Ladies and gentlemen, or gentlemen, I don't think very many women watch my channel, but any women do, then yeah, that's how you do it. Put all the covers back in, and man, that's it, dude. I think I heard some thunder. I think it's raining out there. Let's go see. Lovely day. Man, we've been having to put up with freaking power outages all down here, man. It sucks. Here's a couple minutes of the store's HVAC system doing its thing. That's the last little clip of the video, so thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you later.